to start pouring the rest of the E that I had left. I did get one of them big ass jugs though. Get a little cold start, feel me? But shit though, before I get that cold start though, bro, I gotta say though, much love, gang. Y'all goats once again, bro. We just keep going up with the subs, man. Now we at what, 1150? That's crazy, gang. We were just at 1120 the other day, like literally like 3 days ago. Now we're at 1150. Appreciate y'all, gang, and I hope y'all doing good today, man. And we're gonna get the content rolling for y'all, you feel me? Okay, about to link up my boy, he got an R6. We're about to go cruising. And shit, maybe get some runs in, man. So we'll get some runs in with a bike today, you feel me? Let's get it, gang. Bro, cause low-key kind of cold today, bro. It's like 48, 50 degrees outside, bro. It's crazy. Traction kicked in a while ago, gang. Yo, this shit drives nice in DS, bro, and drive sport, gang. Ooh, drive sport is nice, bro. My buddy. This shit is crazy. check my intake temps and my, all right, coolant temps, 190, that's what's up. Listen to that symphony, gang. Both exhausts, bro. Enjoying this video so far, gang. I know I am. Oh man. Let me turn traction off. Bro, this car's a fucking rocket, bro. Bro, this car's a fucking rocket, bro. Bro, I just walked him down on this bike, bro. Holy fuck. Bro, that shit wanted to spin, bro. I had traction off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this shit fast as fuck, bro. Man. Bro, this shit is fast as fuck, bro. Yeah, I'll gap his bike, bro. You my homie Jess, but this shit will gap you, gang. Damn, bro. Let me turn traction back on, bro, because this shit, I need tires, bro. This shit is scary, bro. Even that, bro, even the top end, bro, shit, they want to break tires, bro. These tires are not ready for this, gang. These tires are not ready for this, gang. Too fast, bro. What the hell? Oh shit. The trans is in limbo. Ah shit. Did we run into our first issue, gang? I don't know what's going on, bro. I think we blew a coupler, bro. Ah, shit. Let's see what's going on now, gang. Oh, shit. The transmission temp just spiked. The engine temp, the coolant temp just spiked to 270, gang. Damn. That's not good. Let's see what's going on, though. I'm scared to shut this off, bro. Damn, gang. Push it too hard, bro. I knew something was going on with this train. Look at the coolant temp, bro. It's overheating, bro. Did we lift the head, bro? Come on, bro. Bro, I think we lifted the head, bro. Dog.
Nah, it's keeping up. It's keeping up.
Keeping up, bro. This shit like a gap at dog.
No, it's moving. Oh, it's for real. It's moving.
Bro, I think we lifted the head, bro.
You did? You lying.
Not lying, bro.
You think you blew it up?
I don't think it blew up, bro, but I think we lifted the head, bro. Bro, the coolant temp spiked to 270, bro. And the car hot the
it's like coolant too.
The gauge hot, bro. Bro, we lifted the head, bro. Either we lifted the head or we popped the coupler, bro. One of them, bro. Buckle out, bro. God damn, gang. Already, bro?
First pull.
Damn, gang.
Look at that.
I do it, man. I'll push it down. Push it down.
Car probably just need to cool down.
Probably was on cooling, man.
Yeah, let's hope it's that.
He said it just wants to cool down. I'm hoping it just wants to cool down.
No,
bro.
we did push it out. We did push it just now.
Yeah, we've been pushing it hard for like the whole 30 minutes, bro.
And my bike ticking like a motherfucker.
Your bike ticking, bro?
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
But no, it's a R6 tick, so need to.
So we finally let the car cool down. I'm trying to drive it back home just to get back home type shit. But long story short, bro, we're good. We didn't lift the head. My heart dropped. I thought we lifted the head, but it looks like we either got the radiator. Well, it's the OEM radiator, bro. This car has 150,000 miles on it. It's an OEM radiator. The radiator's never been changed. You know what I'm saying? So it seems like the radiator is either kinked or we got a bad hose or something blew on the radiator. But there's coolant in the overflow tank, but there's no coolant in the. When I opened the radiator cap, there was no coolant in it. So like, there's no coolant getting the flow. So when that happens, usually the hose is kinked or something, or either my thermostat is stuck closed or open or whatever it is. I don't know, but it's either my thermostat, my water pump, or it's a bad hose in the coolant. But I know it's cycling a little better now because like my coolant temps was skyrocketing. My coolant temps were skyrocketing and shit. My coolant temps are skyrocketing all the way up to like 270. Yeah, it almost hit 300, so I had to like pull over, let the car cool down and whatnot. And now it seems like it's like trying to circulate, but it's struggling at the same time because like checking out my coolant temps is dropping. It's like going up and down. It's going up to 26, dropping. My gauge is like going up and down, up and down. So it's like the thermostat right here keeps going up and down, up and down. So it's like it's struggling to like flow the coolant properly through the engine. So I'm gonna have to get that figured out. Probably have to upgrade my radiator to either mission motor radiator or some shit, but they definitely gotta have to upgrade the radiator. And then if that doesn't fix the problem, then probably gonna have to upgrade my thermostat or my oil pump, bro. But yeah, gang, that's gonna be that for today's video, man. I thought I blew my engine, my heart dropped out of my chest, but we good, gang. I thought I blew my engine, my heart dropped out of my chest, but we good, gang. God damn it, I was looking forward to making hella content, bro, but hey, that's my fault, bro. I upgraded everything, did everything right, like just upgraded my radiator, bro. Should've known, but yeah, gang. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, bro, for what it was, gang, you feel me? I sure did, though, even though the day ended wrong, you feel me? But again, gang, much love for tuning in, man, you feel me? And I hope y'all have